enigmatic practice, has traversed the annals of history, leaving behind a tapestry of beliefs and traditions woven into the fabric of human civilization. From its obscure origins to its contemporary manifestations, the evolution of witchcraft reflects the ever-changing landscape of human spirituality and culture. In this exploration, we embark on a journey through time and across continents to unravel the intricate history of witchcraft, shedding light on its significance and enduring allure. What exactly constitutes witchcraft? The term itself eludes precise definition, encompassing a myriad of beliefs, practices, and cultural expressions. At its core, witchcraft often involves the invocation of supernatural forces or the manipulation of natural energies to achieve desired outcomes. From casting spells and brewing potions to communing with spirits and interpreting omens, the scope of witchcraft is as diverse as the cultures that have embraced it. The history of witchcraft traces its origins back to the dawn of civilization where ancient societies imbued the world with mystical significance, attributing supernatural powers to natural phenomena and human agents alike. In Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization, priests and priestesses practiced forms of magic and divination, and harnessing the power of ritual and incantation to influence the gods and shape the course of events as civilizations rose and fell. The practice of witchcraft evolved, adapting to the changing currents of culture and religion. In ancient Egypt, practitioners, known as Hekau, wielded magic as a sacred art, invoking the names of gods and goddesses to heal the sick, protect the dead, and ensure bountiful harvests. Similarly, in ancient Greece, the figure of the pharmakeus embodied the dual nature of magic, serving as both healer and sorcerer in the eyes of the populace. The medieval period witnessed a dramatic shift in attitudes towards witchcraft, as the spread of Christianity brought with it a fervent intolerance for practices deemed heretical or pagan. The Church, wielding immense authority and influence, condemned witchcraft as the work of Satan, leading to centuries of persecution and witch hunts across Europe. Thousands of alleged witches, predominantly women, faced accusations of consorting with the devil, casting harmful spells, and engaging in acts of heresy. The witch trials, fueled by superstition, misogyny, and socio-political upheaval, left a dark stain on the pages of history, claiming countless lives in the name of religious orthodoxy. Yet even amidst the shadow of persecution, the flame of witchcraft endured, flickering in the hearts and minds of those who dared to defy convention and embrace the forbidden arts. The Renaissance, a period of intellectual and cultural reawakening, witnessed a resurgence of interest in magic and the occult, as scholars and practitioners sought to unravel the mysteries of the universe through arcane knowledge and esoteric practices. Figures like John Dee, renowned mathematician and magician, and Giordano Bruno, visionary philosopher and hermeticist, blazed trails of discovery, pushing the boundaries of human understanding and unlocking the hidden secrets of the cosmos. Fast forward to the modern era, and witchcraft experiences a renaissance of its own, as contemporary practitioners rediscover and reinterpret ancient traditions for a new generation. Movements like Wicca, founded by Gerald Gardner in the mid-20th century, offer a synthesis of pagan beliefs, ceremonial magic, and nature spirituality, providing a framework for modern witches to explore their connection to the natural world and the divine. Drawing inspiration from folklore, Norse mythology, and folk magic, Wicca celebrates the cycles of nature, the phases of the moon, and the power of the elements, inviting practitioners to cultivate harmony, balance, and self-awareness in their lives. For further exploration of the history of witchcraft and its modern manifestations, consider delving into the origins of Wicca and the resurgence of Neo-Paganism. These movements offer valuable insights into the enduring legacy of witchcraft and its profound impact on the human experience.